I'm getting to a point now where I'm wondering what's next. It's officially been a year since I moved into this craft space, and what an adventure it was getting here, but I'm so glad we made the move. It really does feel like a new beginning, and we all love it here so much. I thought this would be a great time to check in and give you an update and let you know about some changes coming. I am saying goodbye to some things, but hello to some exciting new chapters for the channel. First up, the channel is not going anywhere, and in fact, I am now officially a full-time YouTube creator. Most of last year and up until very recently actually, I was working in an office. I have stepped away from that and now I'm creating content pretty much full time. What am I going to do with all that extra time? I'll share more on that in a bit. The first change I want to talk to you about is my daughter. She actually just turned 18, and with that comes a lot of changes. She's a grown-up now, and it feels really odd actually. In some ways I feel like I've lost my purpose, in that she doesn't need me anymore. And it's funny because I guess that means that I've done a really good job. Like I've taught her to be this independent young woman that she is. But on the flip side of that, I'm feeling a little bit lost. I know it's how it's supposed to be, and it means that I've done a good job, but it has, I'm getting to a point now where I'm wondering what's next. I also am so incredibly proud of the young lady she is. She is amazing, and I know she's going to do great things. I don't mean to get emotional, it's a great thing. The reason I bring it up is that it directly affects the channel because she's decided that she doesn't want to be featured in my videos anymore. So moving forward, I won't be sharing more photos of her. Her 18th birthday is the line we're going to draw in the sand, and I totally respect and honor her decision for privacy as she gets on with what she wants to do and builds the life that she wants to lead. And not everybody wants to be on YouTube. So whilst that does mean I have less options in terms of photos for scrapbook layouts, I do have a plan moving forward for that, and you've actually already seen it in action. The channel was never intended to be just about scrapbooks. I always wanted to feature a wide range of paper crafts, including card making and my mini albums, and I have done that. It's just that scrapbooking was my main focus. Moving forward, you are going to see a more balanced mix of projects, just like you have in the last few videos. You can expect even more of that. No paper craft left behind. I've always enjoyed lots and lots of paper crafts, and I've even had years ago cards published in the card making magazines, and I'd like to go back to that. I'd like to be able to do a much broader range of projects. I really do hope you'll continue to enjoy the content I share here, all centered around paper, because I am still very much a paper person. But that doesn't explain what I'm going to be doing with my extra time. Well, first up, in terms of the amount of content I'll be creating here on the channel, that shouldn't change too much. There may be an extra video here or there, but there will not be any less than you're currently seeing. What I plan to do with my extra time is to create exclusive content, which I'll be sharing on Patreon. I very recently moved my cut of the month subscription from my website across to Patreon, and it is great. It's so much better than the service that I was able to provide on the website. Patreon's also a great place for me to be able to share extra content to those creative friends who support me there. and I would really love if you join me. There's already a bunch of resources over there waiting for you. There's SVG cut files, my step-by-step project sheets that match the videos I share here on the channel, and of course, you'll get access to that exclusive content I'll be sharing. I understand this is not going to be for everybody, but please know that the support that I get on Patreon will help ensure that I can continue to give you free content here. The channel is not going anywhere. Patreon is just an extra way for you to get more content from me, and I've even included a free option. If getting a little extra crafty content from me sounds like your thing, I would love to have you join me. I'll be sure to leave a link in the description box below so you can sign up. As I sit here to create this video, the channel just clicked over 24,000 subscribers, and I'm so thankful for each and every one of you. From those of you who've been here since the beginning, who I know watch every video and comment all the time, to the creatives who've just found me, your support means the world. I'm so blessed to be able to have this as my job, and I love being able to craft with you and share your company. If you're not already subscribed, then press that subscribe button like a sticker to a scrapbook. And if you like this video, then please like this video. It really does help me to know that you love my content. There's one more thing you can do for me, and that's watch this video next. YouTube has especially selected it just for you. I'll see you all again very soon. Until then, bye.